Hey guys, this is Timodo. Let's try that again. Hey guys, this is Timodo, and we're gonna take apart this 1990s, I think, Rubik's Cube, possibly older. See how like crazy it is inside. Terrible. So this long random stick thing. I'm gonna like pry this open. Oh, there we go. So if we could just look at the piece. Oh my god, that is dirty. Oh, do you see that? Look at the core. Hold up, let me take off like the top first layer. The top first layer, what? Oh god. It's gonna be harder than I thought. Yes, I finally got the top layer out, and just look at that. Look how dirty that is. That is just horrible. Look at the edges. Look at that. That's just crazy. I feel so robotic. About the corners. Oh, not much better is either. Oh, they're all dirty. You see, I want to kind of take apart the middle layer, but I'm gonna go wash this cube now. Like, oh my god. So I finally washed it. And it's like much better now. So I'm just gonna put this back together. Yeah. So anyways, I'm finally done assembling it. Little drops of water. So it turns badly, but nowhere near as bad as it was before. Should have really turned it before, shouldn't have I? I'm dumb. Apparently the yellow turns really good. And green not as well. Dang, that's actually fast. How slow is it? That was cool. Like, comment, subscribe. This is triple upload hype. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe for that triple upload hype, and I'll see you next time.